Hello, dear friends. I'm glad that you are with me today because I want to share with you a very interesting and practical method that has become quite popular with me recently. In today's video, I will introduce you to the basic principles of how this method works and what specific details I pay more attention to. I'm starting to set up the Aroon indicator, which is very useful in the method. Let's set the period to 20, change the color to white and red, thicken lines and save. The second indicator is envelopes. This also plays a big role in the method. Let's set the period to 29. Let's leave the rest of the parameters as they are by default. Color is green, blue, yellow, and background color white. And save. The third and final indicator of the method is the Awesome Oscillator. Let's set the short period to 4 and long period to 30 and save. We have to also set up 10-second candles and trading time is 1 minute. These are the main parameters of the strategy according to which I will develop and conduct the next steps. All these details will be discussed in detail and each step will be described. As a result, the strategy will be perfectly adapted to specific market conditions and will significantly increase the probability of winning. For anyone interested, the link to register on the platform will be in the video description. Now let's take a closer look at the method. First of all, I look at the Awesome Oscillator candles. In this case, they show strong buying accordingly from large green candles in the downward direction. I also observe the red and white lines of the Aroon indicator, which is in combination with the signal of the Awesome Oscillator indicator, and they should intersect. The combination of these two indicators is a strong signal. I think everything is going so perfectly. Good. The first win has been fixed. Friends, the next thing I look for in this case with the envelopes indicator is the upper green line. If I see that the candle touches the upper green line, this is my first indication that the uptrend may continue. But however, this signal alone is not enough to open a position. At this time, I check other indicators such as the Awesome Oscillator and Aroon to make sure that they are also giving me an uptrend signal. All of these indicators work more accurately on 10-second candles and regardless of the setting I set. And I think everything is going in a perfect way and excellent. I recorded such a convincing profit. The third point is similar to the previous ones, but here I want to expand on why I use 10-second candles. Friends, one of the important details of my strategy is how I adjust the parameters of the indicators and choose the time frame to get maximum accuracy and efficiency. But after a lot of testing and practice, I was convinced that working with these indicators on 10-second candles and setting the trading duration to 1 minute is ideal for this method. In such cases, the indicators react faster to current trends and they provide me with accurate, more accurate signals. And unfortunately I didn't win here, but as you can see I got my money back, so it happens. It's good. Friends, whatever moment you see on the platform, not so often, but even in such moments I open positions with this method because I have a strong signal from the Awesome Oscillator and the candles touched the green line above the envelopes. Then there was a slight correction of the red candles, which gave me the opportunity to open a position in the upward direction. Also, the trend is going up if you look at the ascending candles, and entering at this particular moment requires more experience because there are many more factors. But as you can see, everything is going well. And as you see, I won very convincingly, and I really like that. I have a fifth trade in the down direction, and I entered the trade in the downward direction at a very good moment because the red candle touched the yellow line of the envelopes, and at this time the red and white lines of Aroon have just crossed each other. Also, the Awesome Oscillator candles have been moving in the downward direction for a long time, and this is very good. I would like to note that the signal is especially strong if the Awesome Oscillator candles move in the downward direction for a long time, like it's happening on the platform now. And if I win, this will be the last trade. Of course I won. As you see, I have made convincing profits again, and this is great. In today's video I tried to explain in detail the processes and indicators that play a key role in this method. I hope you enjoyed today's video and most importantly received useful information about trading. I wish you a successful trading day and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.